Hi guys, I'm Gina and I want to thank the brand for sending me over this to share with you guys. So this is the MTE caffeine-free energy drink powder mix with Paraxanthine, but it comes with 24 individual packets. They sent me a few different flavors over to try, and what I really want to say is if you keep a few of these with you wherever you go, and that's the reason why I like the individual packets, you can throw them in your purse, your gym bag, your work bag, whatever you got going. Keep some in the car. It makes it super convenient to have them on hand, and it's just one of the things I really love. So it comes in the flavor lemon lime, pineapple mango, this one, and a mandarin orange. Now I'm gonna tell you, I already know mandarin orange is my favorite flavor. You might have a different one, but this is the one that I keep reaching for the most. And I usually like mixing it into a big bottle of ice cold water, typically with ice and in the afternoon, because it's just easy and refreshing for me. It's something I actually enjoy drinking. And I have such a hard time drinking water that it's interesting how when I put this into it, I don't mind drinking the water at all. So you can put it in a glass and stir it. I also will often just open up the lid of the bottle and pour it in and shake it really good. So the fact that they're pre-measured, I like there's no scooping, no mixing. It's not messy. I really like that about that. So they're super quick and convenient. So I'm going to just show you, you simply snip off the end of it, pour it into either your bottle or if you're pouring it into your cup, if you're going to do it that way. I'm simply going to pour it into my cup. I'll show you what the powder mix looks like. Again, this is the orange because it's my favorite flavor. I also think it's nice for everyday life because of the fact it's so portable and it's easy to bring along whether you're traveling on the road, doing errands. Easy to have it ready to go. Oh my goodness. I'm already smelling that orange. Once I have it in my glass, I give it a good stir. It's just amazing to me how much I can already smell the aroma flavor coming out. So if you're like me and have a hard time drinking plain water and plain water sounds boring to you, this is a great way to switch it up a little bit and also providing your body with some things that it can use. So let me show you again. This is ready to go. I'm telling you, the orange flavor is where it's at for me. So if you want some different flavor options, like I said, they have orange, lemon, lime, mango, pineapple, but orange is my favorite. They do have a little card in here. It tells you not to exceed 1 packet daily. So this isn't something that you're going to drink 2 to 3 times a day. One of the things I really feel like it does is helps with my energy without giving me caffeine, which I love because then I don't have problems with the caffeine kickback or the caffeine headache or caffeine withdrawal. So I really do like that about this. I think this is really a good find and one you're going to want to check out.